In a world of spaces and dimensions comes a world full of mystery and logic. Introducing Rubik's Cube. A young man named Erno Rubik once created a cube in 1974 that became one of the world's most famous puzzles of all time. The once called Magic Cube was supposedly created to merely serve as a learning exercise for Rubik's students about the three-dimensional spaces. Yet now, it is enjoyed by many as a leisure game. But how can one solve it? Let's start by getting a Rubik's Cube. A jumbled Rubik's Cube. Yan! Better! With the jumbled Rubik's Cube, we will first begin on the first layer. Step 1. Complete the first layer cross. First, keep white center on top. Then put the green centerpiece in front. It should be facing you. You can choose any color, but for today, we will be choosing the green one. Third, find the green-white edge piece, which only has two colors, and turn it to one of the positions shown. Keeping white on top and green in front, choose the options shown that matches your situation and follow the arrow steps to place the green-white edge piece in place. Keeping white on top, turn the cube so that a different color face or center is toward you. Follow the given instructions again. Repeat with the other two faces until the white cross is complete. This step is quite intuitive. You can do it for sure, but it does take a little practice. Just move the white edges to their places, not messing up the ones already fixed. Then we will proceed to step 2. Complete the first layer corners. First, again, keep white on top, then put the green centerpiece in your front or facing you. Then, find the green, white, red corner. It is a side piece, so it has three colors. And place it in one of the positions shown, without disturbing the white cross. Possible problem. The corner you are looking for is in the top layer, but in the wrong position or turned the wrong way around. Turn the cube so that the corner is in the front right top corner, then move the corner to the bottom layer by following the following steps. Perform these steps, then choose again from steps given to put the corner in place. Keeping white on top, turn the cube so that a different color face is toward you. Follow the given instructions again. Repeat with the other two faces until the white cross is complete. Third step, complete second layer. First, keep white on top, then find the green-red edge piece. If it is in the bottom layer, then turn the bottom layer to match the edge with the center color. Fourth, if the edge is not in the bottom layer, then go to step C. Choose from the steps given to place the edge piece in place. Possible problem. The edge piece you want to move is in the second layer, but in the wrong position or the wrong way around. The solution is to turn the cube so that the edge is in the front layer, then do either solution given to move the piece into the bottom row. Then go back to step 4. Continue with steps A or B with different centers facing you until the second layer is complete. On to step 4. Complete the third layer cross. Now we will turn the cube over. White is now on the bottom and yellow on top. You should find that there is 0, 2, or 4 pieces of the cross facing upward. Ignore the corners for now. The idea is firstly to get the yellow cross and secondly to turn swap pieces to the correct position in the cross. Perform the algorithm shown to get to the yellow cross. Make sure your cube is orientated as shown in the image. Repeat this algorithm till you get the yellow cross. You will now have 4 or 2 edge pieces in the correct place. Matching with the center colors, ensure the correct edge pieces are at the back and right face. Use the algorithm shown to put the edge pieces in the correct position. Possible problem. 2 pieces that are in the correct position are opposite each other. The solution is to perform the given steps once and then turn the cube like the one shown before and perform the steps again. The last step, complete the third layer corners. First, we will put the corners in the correct position. You will now have either 0, 1, or all the corner pieces will be in their correct positions, either the right way up or reverse. If one corner piece is in the correct corner, turn the cube so that this correct corner is in the front top right position. The piece is in the correct position but may not be turned the correct way around. Repeat the sequence until all the corners are in the correct position. Possible problem. None of the corners is in the correct position. Solution. Perform the given steps once with any side facing you. Of course, yellow at the top. Now, one corner will be in the correct position. Then proceed with steps shown. The next steps will be to turn the corners one by one the correct way and ultimately solve the cube. Note, this routine may appear to upset the rest of the cube. Do not despair and keep the same side facing you. It will only be solved once the last corner is orientated. Repeat the moves until the yellow side of the corner piece is on top. You may have to do it 2 to 3 times. Again, keep the same side facing you. Rotate the top layer until the next corner piece to be rotated is in the top right position. Repeat the above sequence until the yellow side of the corner that you are rotating is on top. Continue the process until the cube is complete. And finally, that is how you solve a Rubik's Cube. That is all for today, and see you all next time.